What's up? It's Yadaf, and I'm back with what I always do. But if there's anybody out there who's new to this channel, I make up songs as I go, and I take your themes down below in the comments. And today the themes are dogs, suggested by Barber Brutus and Nicholas, which is my father. So let's get started. Woof woof, boon, bark bark, doo. It's time to talk about the dogs. They aren't even close to being hogs. They make their mark when they say bark bark. All they do is walk around. They like to take their walks. And when they're on their leash, they feel that they aren't free. Some dogs have fleas. And sometimes the dogs, when they're on their walks, pee. Dogs, chasing the squirrels. Dogs, to impress girls. Dogs, lots of fun. Dogs, but you can't give them a bun. Dogs can get groomed. Dogs don't need a lot of room. You can teach the dogs tricks and put them in shows, and they have their little wet slobbery nose. And as you go on a walk, be sure to talk to your dog. Okay, so that was my song about dogs. And I hope you enjoyed. Yes, you can laugh now. Bye-bye! Comment down below themes. Like this video. Please subscribe. And I will see you. Wait. Shoutouts. Shoutouts to my music teacher. And shoutouts to all of my friends. Bye!